Hey, hi everyone. Good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. Still here to girl. So, what I want to talk this evening na story time. Story, experience, and a lot of behaviors when I don't see for this Europe and from many of our guys because of laziness. Most of our women, they don't become useless and get bad attitude wey be say nobody fit talk to them, nobody fit consure them say wetin they do so is not right. Wetin I wan talk today na dey talk about the integrity of our men. Some of them men means some of them fit be the family of that woman, some of them fit be the father of that woman, some of them fit be the uncle of that woman, some of them fit be friend of that woman when they talk for this video. Some of them fit be our brother, or some of them fit be our sister. Why we no fit talk to people when we see say that they do something that is wrong? Why many of us no fit talk to somebody say wetin they do so is not right because of that person na him dey send money come for us, na our brother or our sister wey dey Europe, or na our family or na our mother. Some people they allow people to use money to buy their morals and integrity in so many behavior for this Europe. You go see woman, you go dey with man for house, you go say in dey go road go work. Because of money wey wan break come, that man no fit tell am say which kind thing be that you dey go road go work? Abeg, I no fit. You see, because of money, person go say make a woman go work for road. E no go even get any remorse, e no go even think am twice. Just because of the money, e dey loyal to that person. E don throw im own integrity as a man. Just because some of our sisters dey send money come for us for Nigeria, we no fit tell them where they for dey make mistake. We no fit tell them where e be say they for dey go wrong. Because of most of our sisters, they dey send money come dey give our mama for Nigeria. They no fit even tell them say, my daughter, what you are doing is very wrong. Maybe they dey make mistake for their marriage, maybe they dey make mistake for their job, maybe they dey make mistake because of the lifestyle wey they dey live. Many people, they no fit dey bold to tell these people say wetin they dey do e dey wrong because of they no go see €50 again. Many fathers don turn to centro because of €50. They cannot differentiate wrong from right again. Many people, they don't set their birthright because of money. I know somebody wey carry senior brother come Europe because of I want to belong. He say make his senior brother talk say na him come be na the girl na him senior am, na him be junior to him own junior sister instead of na him supposed to be senior. His sister tell am say make he talk say na she senior am. Can you imagine? He true dey claim say na him junior, na his senior sister. Meanwhile na him junior. That one don say birthright because of Europe. I notice say so many women dey go wrong, nobody fit talk to them. Many of their brother wey they carry from Libya come, they cannot even talk because of €5 penny wey they give them. Some because they put them for house, they cannot hustle on their own and live on their own and talk independently. They begin to hide under the skirt of their sister to do nonsense. I remember one incident wey happen last week. Last week. Somebody called me on the phone, was gonna talk some issue for phone. So I was surprised, and even though say up the junk, I would laugh them because I don't really get time. So I don't really understand wetin dey talk, because I never ever believe all my life say a man can be so shameless like that, or with zero integrity. I was so surprised when I dey try to understand wetin the person dey talk for phone, because for person to be able to sit down construct that kind call to a woman, a man for that matter, there is something wrong with that person. It's not okay. Say wetin I dey hear for course say I wan ask you something. I say what? He say whether I know so person. I come say who be that? Say whether I know the person. I come say who be that again? When I come think I come say okay, now I know wetin the person dey talk. I come call am again. I say wetin dey try to ask me just now? He asked me the thing again, because I no really believe my ear to even hear that kind thing. He say he get picture to show me. I come say picture of who? They try to talk, but I no dey hear wetin they talk clearly. I come say okay, no problem. I go my business. When I reach there, you fit come show me the picture of the person wey wan show me for my store, if I know the person. Now so I just they come at the end. They come. Could you believe wetin this picture of the person, when this woman, whether na woman or na boy, come show me? Picture of the man wey his sister, when he carry am come Europe, dey sleep with. Picture of the man wey his sister dey friend now. The man, his wife, now he come dey show me. The man wey his sister dey friend, he get wife with 6 children. 6 children. The picture of the woman, now he come dey show me, whether me I know the woman. He hear say the woman na my friend. He hear say the woman mention my name somewhere, because the woman find out say her sister dey mess around with the man. He believe for his head, his small brain, say na me tell the woman say his husband dey mess around with the woman. So a man was so bold to even go Facebook, go pick up that woman picture, woman with 6 children, come dey show me, say whether I know this woman. Me dey try to destroy his sister with man wey get 6 children relationship. Can you imagine the moral of some men in this Europe? Zero shame. Before you could even comot for your house, you no even think properly, come reach how many miles where my store dey, come dey tell me say me wan break relationship of your sister with man wey get 6 children. Me wan break the relationship of man wey leave his children and the wife with 6 children alone. Me dey break the relationship. So I was so surprised. Really? Even some customer for my store now, so they open mouth say, wetin this one dey talk so? You no even fit slap this boy. I look am, I no be person wey dey confrontation so quick. I was just so surprised. I said, really? You couldn't even tell your sister, no even fit put your sister on check. Tell am say, my sister, allow this man to go and meet his wife. The wife don call your sister for phone. The man don talk to your sister, because that one na he don wan let go of his dust. For a man to show you who he is, you have to accept it the way he is. But she was insisting. She called the woman as any woman, normal any woman go first do for the first reaction when you get hold of the woman when they go out with your husband. You get hold of her Facebook, her information, everything. She decide to put message on her Facebook and everything. You, as a brother, you not took it upon yourself to come and meet me and ask me, say, now so I dey destroy the relationship of your sister and a man with 6 children. Now so now they call single mother everywhere today now. Single mother, single mother, single mother. Now go do come they laugh the women. Meanwhile, your sister is among the women that is causing another woman to be a single mother of 6 children. Meanwhile, your sister is among the women that is causing pain to their fellow women. Meanwhile, your sister is among the women that don't respect another black woman's relationship or baby daddyship or marriage. You have the guts to come at me, they talk nonsense, asking me nonsense question that doesn't even make any single sense. Because I not be those Edo girls wey big bagbati, wey they shout, when they first give slap to man. Because I wasn't brought up that way. I always talk, I always teach. Because I know say many of una na inside bush there for go pack una come, and many of una not get single integrity or morals. That is why I see una finish. I dey talk of una all the time, because una not get shame if una go change. That una cheap way wey be say any woman can buy una put for house. As dusty women many for our community, na so dusty men many, they una dey buy each other put for house. What will make a woman want to be with a man with 6 children and is not taking care of them? Is not even seeing the children. What will make a woman want to settle for that type of man, even knowing that the wife is doing everything for the man to come back and care for his children? You keep that man inside your house and you ask your brother that have no life, a low life, to come and meet me and ask and be asking me useless question with the woman where you be say your own sister they will go camp for house. Carry the woman picture come dey show me. You people don't have shame. Most of you men from where I come from, I not get single shame for eye. People should go and say if they can buy una put for house. Who get €5 can buy una put for house and be feeding una. Just for your sister to bring you from Libya, can't take try see whether you go women for see or you fit enter. You don't buy loyalty for her immediately to support all her stupidity without even questioning what she's doing. Tomorrow, when she will have a big problem, now say that wish na wizard and he can't comfort una. Meanwhile, I'm waiting to take this una 2 hand take cost. Now in the water all of una. Now una be number 1 to the spoil people name. Meanwhile, una don't spoil una own life with una own hand. But as we say, miserability, they always they look for friend. Una go dey find una draw into una drama. Wetin make una go believe say I go know say man me go know say man get 6 children and he get woman wey be say he promise. For me, a promise is is a comfort for a fool. But the woman choose to take the promise. Now mouth wey dey get it stay dey talk. Man wey promise woman say go come dey with her, even with 6 children. I no see any man with a complete sense wey go leave his 6 children to go and be with a low life woman that can accept any rubbish, that can accept any dustbin of a man. For a woman to accept a man with 6 children, little babies, that woman should be the lowest life woman on earth. And the low life, e no really show alone for holy her. E still show for the brother that come to me, they tell me say na so, they tell me say na so, you wan destroy relationship. What the hell of a relationship una get? Your sister cannot find anything better than a man with 6 children that is still having a woman in his life. He didn't allow them to break up. Make dem say na something break them up. No. She decide to take the man into his own house without no shame. And meanwhile, she's putting blame on other person wey take eye see am. That is why you people lack integrity. If person talk wetin una dey do now, say na lie the person dey talk. Naija people too dey lie. Na only una be person wey be say if person take eye see say una dey do bad, dey talk am, una go say the person na bad person. That is how to show say una no get moral, una no get integrity, una no get shame. I just want to put this video here for una to know. I know so una dey play come my channel. People go still learn from all this type of una behavior. How cheap many of you are, so cheap. For a plate of puree with ogbolo soup, some women can buy many of you at home for the rest of your life. You become useless.